Last day we saw about Pythagoras theorem and Pythagorean triplet and also two properties of triangle 30, 60, 90 degree and 45, 45, 90 degree. Today we will going to study about similarity and right angle triangle. म्हणजे समरूपता आणि काटकोन त्रिकोण यांचं काय रिलेशन आहे ते पाहायचं आहे आपल्याला. इन शॉर्ट सिमिलॅरिटी इन राइट अँगल ट्रायंगल पाहायचं. सो सिमिलॅरिटी इन राइट अँगल ट्रायंगल इज शोन बाय थेरम. इन अ राइट अँगल ट्रायंगल, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles are similar to the original triangle and to each other. Means this is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, if the altitude, segment BD is the altitude, लंब, drawn to the hypotenuse, कुठे लंब काढलेला आहे तर hypotenuse, segment BD is the altitude drawn to the hypotenuse AC, then the two triangles are formed. Due to this altitude, two right angle triangles are formed because this is perpendicular. So this is also right angle triangle, this is also right angle triangle. Two triangles are formed, means triangle ADB and another triangle BDC. These two triangles are similar to the original triangle. Original triangle is ABC and also similar to each other, means triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. So we have to prove it. First, how to write given in right angle triangle. So in triangle ABC, which is 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree. So in given in triangle ABC, angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Also again, what is given? The altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse. Segment BD is altitude. So segment BD perpendicular segment AC. This is the given. And we have to prove. Then the statement next to then is to prove. Then the two triangles are similar to the original triangle. Means two triangles are formed. Which two triangles? Triangle ADB and triangle BDC. So triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. Again triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. And these two triangles are similar with each other. Means these two. So triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. So in proof we already learnt about properties of similarity or test for similarity. By using these tests we can prove it. First, in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, angle DAB means this angle. Congruent angle BAC means again this angle, means this A angle is common to triangle ADB as well as triangle ABC. So this is common angle. Angle ADB is 90 degree. Congruent angle ABC is also 90 degree. So each of 90 degree. Therefore triangle ADB similar triangle ABC by AA test for similarity. Another triangles, in triangle BDC and triangle ABC, here C angle is common. Angle BCD congruent angle ACB means C angle is common. Angle BDC congruent angle ABC, each of 90 degree. Therefore triangle BDC similar triangle ABC again by AA test. Therefore triangle ADB similar triangle BDC from statement number 1 and 2. Statement number 1 right side is ABC and statement number 2 right side is ABC. Therefore left sides are also similar. Triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. This is statement number 3 from 1 and 2. From statement 1, 2 and 3 we can write these three triangles are similar. Means triangle ADB similar triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. From first, second and third, and this property is called as a transitivity. Last year you learnt it. संक्रमकता म्हणजे पहिला त्रिकोण दुसऱ्याशी समरूप, दुसरा तिसऱ्याशी समरूप, तेव्हा तिसरा आणि पहिला समरूप असतात. So this is called as similarity in right angle triangle. We can solve example by using similarity in right angle triangle or by using Pythagoras theorem. These three triangles are right angle triangle, means these two and original one is. So similarity in right angle triangle is used to prove theorem of geometric mean. भूमिती मध्याचं प्रमेय म्हणतो याला आपण. So what is it? In right angle triangle means theorem of geometric mean is also only for right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular segment and it is on hypotenuse. The perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex, म्हणजे hypotenuse चे opposite vertex कुठला आहे? B. Is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Means this segment BD is perpendicular on hypotenuse and it is from the opposite vertex of hypotenuse, means through vertex B. So segment BD is the geometric mean भूमितीमध्ये कुणाचा in which the hypotenuse is divided. Due to this segment BD, hypotenuse divided into two parts, segment AD and segment DC. So BD is the geometric mean of AD and DC. In last year, proportion मध्ये तुम्ही पाहिले पहा. When A, B, C are in proportion, continuous proportion, then B square equal to AC. So B is the geometric mean of A and C. Similarly, segment BD is the geometric mean of AD and DC. How it is possible? See here. Triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. We already proved it here. Triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. It means similarity in right angle triangle. Triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. And you know that when two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. So AD upon BD equal to AD upon BD equal to DB upon DC. Rearrange केलं आपण AD upon BD equal to DB च्या ऐवजी काय लिहिलं BD upon DC. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं तर AD into DC equal to BD into BD means BD square equal to AD into DC. Means segment BD is the geometric mean of remaining two sides. Remaining two sides means segment AD and segment DC. So geometric mean is also only for right angle triangle. Perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the hypotenuse is the geometric mean in which the hypotenuse is divided. So BD square equal to AD into DC. Like this way, the examples are asked on these. Solved examples. You already solved it by using Pythagoras theorem. These examples are also solved by using geometric mean property also. So try to solve question number 6 and 7 from solved examples. And listen video carefully and try to solve the solved example without seeing in textbook. Thank you.